What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this wooden bed. As you can see, this is the before and we are going to be transforming it into a new and modern design. So stick to the end of the video so that we can fully understand and enjoy all the steps that I did follow and all the materials and tools that I've used during the process. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So now after disassembling the bed, we did take the measurements, because I normally disassemble the bed and start making the measurements so that I can know all the adjustments that I need to do, all the cuttings that I need to cut, and cut these pieces of wood that I normally use to make an adjustment layer that is to raise or design the headboard according to the design that the client want. So after cutting, I usually use a circular saw to do this, but you can also use a jigsaw. If you have a jigsaw, you can also use the traditional way of using a saw, but I normally prefer a circular saw because it's much easier and fast to do. So after designing the headboard and the lower side of the bed, as you can see, I've already raised the headboard. I'm going to be designing the headboard according to the design that I was requested to do. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you do like and enjoy watching, kindly subscribe. Consider subscribing to my channel All Things With Us. Like the videos, comment on it, and share with your friends and family. You can also visit our channel because we have a variety of videos in our channel, and watch more of our content. So now you can see, you can start to notice that there is that design on top of the headboard because the client wanted that design, but it will make more sense if you continue watching the video till the end so that you can appreciate the process. Don't forget to like this video, watch it, and share with your friends and family. If you want such services, kindly comment and I will give you my number, or you can just give you my accounts, that is TikTok or Instagram, if you want to reach me out for such services, and we will work together if you want this. And if you have any other question, just comment below and I'll get back to you. So keep on watching the video, enjoy the video, make sure to watch the video till the end, and I will really appreciate that. If this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching my videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support, and I will see you in my next videos.